Brought to you by Akshara Pallavi.
Our United Nations General Secretary Antonio Guterres, our beloved Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, and our cherished Chief Minister, Youth Icon Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu send their valuable greetings and warm wishes to our Sri Nakshatra School on this great occasion of Spectra 2020.
Nakshatra Spectra 2020 has become the talk of the country. Media ripples around the nation. Let's view the salient features of Sri Nakshatra School.
The school is located in the midst green fields and sprawling of 3.5 acres of land in a pollution-free and anger-free environment.
The infrastructure of the school is awesome. It has a colossal swimming pool with a hygiene maintenance.
Vast playground for sports like football, hockey, athletics, basketball and netball. Exclusive basketball court is much colorful.
On 8th, 9th, 10th of January 2020, the school has conducted sports meet and conducted various games.
They are maintaining mineral water plant and also providing delicious midday meal for their cute children.
Air-conditioned classrooms with ideal strength, also providing lockers for every individual. The complete campus is under CC surveillance.
In addition to this, they have computer lab, maths lab, composite lab with high technology.
Above all, their strength is their staff. Dedicated teachers work under the dynamic principal and dashing directors.
This year, the management has planned to open a hostel for boys with high-level maintenance.
To provide stress-free education, the management has chosen the CBSE curriculum for the all-round development of the children.
It's proud to say that the one and only school which is going to be recognized by CBSE in Raulapalam is Sri Nakshatra School.
Very recently, the school has been inspected by the CBSE board authorities and had gone through all areas pertaining to academics, sports and environment. The officials expressed their extreme satisfaction towards the standard of the school, infrastructure and the commitment. Here you can watch the inspection visuals.
In our Sri Nakshatra School.
Yes, sure, Pallavi.
In a democratic way, the school head boy and head girl election has conducted in a secret ballot. C.H. Harsha and G. Pravalika were elected as school head boy and head girl. Here you can watch the visuals of investiture ceremony. The chief guest of that event, Sri V. Krishna, Circle Inspector of Raulapalam, has labeled the badges to head boy and head girl.
That's all in this news bulletin. We report, you decide. Sri Nakshatra.
Growing today,
Where the world is going tomorrow. Good night. Have a glorious day.
I request our guest of honor to come up on the stage to issue the certificates for Spell 1. There are some special winner announcement in different categories. Best in academics and perfect attendance. Best in academics. The winners have been selected basing on their language skills, writing skills and the way they present their answer scripts right from periodic assessment 1 to periodic assessment 4. Now, let me call those best performances according to their class wise and section wise. Yes, Soumya Sri of first rubies. K. Punit and S. Tanish Verma of second pearls. DSK Bhavit of 2nd rupees. Harshita of 3rd pulse. Gagan of 3rd rupees. D. Samir of 4th pulse. G. Vinay of 4th rupees. K. Pujasri of 5th pulse. M. Shanmukpriya of 5th rupees. N. Ramya Sravani of 6th standard. G. Renu Sri Lakshmi Prasanna of 7th standard. P. Surya Mahati of 8th standard. Perfect attendance. These selections were made by observing the regularity and punctuality of the Nakshatra aids from day 1 to till today. They hadn't taken a single leave, and this can be possible only by maintaining a good and proper health and perfect focus on the studies. P. Varun Samir of 2nd rupees. Priya Aishwarya of 5th pulse. Lakshmi Pujita of 5th rupees. Yes, Shanmukh Sri Manikanta of 7th standard. And I also request to announce first lucky winner of the night.
As this is the first lucky dip of this Spectra, so the first lucky winner of this today's Spectra program. Now may I request our beloved guest of honor Sunil Kumar Garu to decide who is the first lucky winner of this Spectra program today. Sir, please.
KVS Vihal Reddy LKG, son of Karri Venkat Reddy.
So KVS Vihal Reddy LKG. Vihal Reddy along with their parents. May I request Vihal Reddy along with their parents, please come onto the dais. The first lucky winner of this Spectra today, Vihal Reddy of LKG. The parents of Vihal Reddy, please come onto the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, please tap your hands to give them a good round of applause. Here is the first lucky winner of this Spectra today. Sir, please.
Congratulations to all the participants.
So here we have another one more lucky dip winner. Soon after this programs, we are going to declare it. So thank you, sir.
So, now I would like to invite Akshaya Grace and Kushal to give into for the next program.
And tuning to all. A present evening to all. Kushal, do you know all the angels were coming to the Nakshatra stage? Hey, you mean angels? Huh, angels. Oh my god, I'm very much excited to see the angels. Wait a minute. Now my friends were coming to the stage with a beautiful performance. Are you talking about friends? Yes, they are angels, right? Along with the angels, some heroes will also come with a high energetic power. So please welcome our sweet little stars to perform for a lovely medley song. Welcome them with a big round of applause.
सनन जाए रचिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खनकाई तूने आधी ही बात में सनन सनन जाए रचिया करबे की रात में
Please, all of you join your hands to clap for them.
आधी ही बात में
करबे की रात पिया धड़के मेरा जिया कह देना आज तू है मेरे साथ
ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे
ढोली ना ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोली ना ढोली ना ढोल हैया बाबा के बगे ढोली ना
जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा खली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा खली बली हो गया है दिल
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना
उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए
कहने को तो खेल है मेरा साझा पर मेरा दिल है पतंग और तेरी नजर मांझा मांझे से निपटी ये पतंग जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़े उड़े ऊंचे आसमानों में जुड़े
Wow! Outstanding, mind-blowing performance. Thank you to one and all, not to all parents. There are many programs which will excite you. Please be with us and enjoy the evening.
Our friends are eagerly waiting to say about house system in our school. Let me call Nikhila, Chaitanya, Manisri and Spandana to say about this.
Hi, good evening all. This is Pandana. This is Nikhila.
This is Chaitanya.
We all know that we have 29 states in our country. All these states have their own significance. Their tradition, culture and customs are differ from other. But all people in these 29 states work for their nation. They all work for a better India. Their aim is to make our India in the top position. Keeping the same view in our Nakshatra school, the house system have been introduced.
Sister, are you talking about our school house system?
Yes, brother.
Our Nakshatraites have been placed in 4 houses named Diksha,
Sahana.
And Tejas.
All of these houses had unique features.
The members of all the houses work for their development and the development of the school. They wanted to keep the name of the school in a limelight.
In a cycling order, every house will be picked 10 with different duties. If the house Diksha take care of assembly proceedings, the house Maitri will take care of spoken English and handwriting skills. The house Sahana will take care of board decoration and cleanliness, and the house Tejas will take care of discipline.
Diksha House works with dedication over the victory.
Sana house works with patience and passion towards success.
Maitri House works with winning spirit.
Tejas House radiates all over success. The house system develops leadership qualities and team spirit. It brings hidden talents of our Nakshatra 8.
It brings healthy competition among the Nakshatra-ites. They'll be inspired and educated in all aspects.
House system is a right platform. It gives numerical chances to our Nakshatraites to show their innovative creations.
Assembly proceedings are the key factor of the success of this house system. In our assembly proceedings, we have national song,
School prayer,
Pledge,
thought of the day, health tip.
GK question.
news headlines.
So friends, don't miss morning assembly and be on time to school. We have captains and vice captains from each house to monitor their house members. All these captains and vice captains can be mentored by the school head boy and head girl. We follow democratic way of election to elect captains, vice captains, head boy and head girl. The investiture ceremony was held and duties of elected members were discharged. You can watch here the related clippings.
Thank you for giving this fantastic opportunity.
Thanks to all. Bye-bye.
Wow, interesting and very useful information is given. Thank you friends, thanks a lot.
One more classic is ready from our friends. Let me call the intros, Lasya and Ashika, to say about the classical song.
Hi, a pleasant evening to all. I am Ashika.
I'm Lasya. Now we are going to watch a classical dance performance by our lovely stars from 3rd, 4th, 5th classes for the song Godavari.
The name Godavari itself is a power of silence. It transforms our thoughts and takes us to mesmerizing memories right from our childhood to youthful days.
Let's watch this great presentation. Welcome to our classical performance.
Uppongele Godavari ugindile Chedoveri. Welcome them. Thank you.
గోదావరి 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 గోదావరి
పావన జీవన ధారవు నీవై పరుగులెత్తిరావా ధరణికి పచ్చని పులకాంకురముల వరములీయరావా పుష్కర వేళను పుష్పాంజలితో అందుకొనగ సేవా పుష్కల జలముల పుడమిని తడిపి పంట సిరుల నీవా ఉరుకుల పరుగుల ఉరవడుల కరగలను రగల గలగల సరిగమ పదని స్వరజతుల తగధిమి తగ జడుల యగతుల అభంగ తరంగ మృదంగ తురంగ దక్షిణ భారత గంగా
Clap for them.
ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊవిందిలే చేలోవరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకే చీనాంబరి వెదలు తీర్చు మా దేవేరి వేదమంటి మా గోదారి శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి కేసై చాపచోసై నావవాసై వాలుగా చుక్కానే చూపుగా బ్రతుకు తెరువు ఎదురీతేగా ఉప్పొంగిరి గోదావరి ఊగిందిరి చేలువరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకే చీనాంబరి సావాసాలు సంసారాలు చిలిపి చిలక జోస్యం వేసే అట్లు వేయంగానే లాభసాటి వేరం ఓడలైపోతున్న ఇంటి పనుల దృశ్యం పారేసేటి అందాలన్నీ అడిగే నీటి రగ్గం ఏం తగ్గింది మా రామయ్య భోగం ఇక్కడ నది ఊరేగింపులో పడవ మీద ప్రభుతాను కాగా ఉప్పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేరువరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకి చేనాంబరి గోదారమ్మ కుంకం బొట్టు దిద్ది మిరప ఎరుపు లంకానాథుడింతాగనంటూ పండు కొరుకు చూసే చూపు ఏం చెప్పింది సీతాకాంతకి సందేహాల మధ్య పట్టె చూసే కంటికి లోకం కాని లోకంలోన ఏకాంతాల వలపు అలపాటి కొండ అడగని నవ్వు తనకు రాగా పొంగిలే గోదావరి ఊగిందిలే చేలోబరి భూదారిలో నీలాంబరి మా సీమకి చీలాంబరి వెదలు తీర్చు మా దేవే వేదమంటి మా గోదారి శబరి కలిసిన గోదారి రామచరితకే పూదారి ఏసై సావధర్ సై నావవార్ సై వాలుగా చుట్టానే చూపుగా బ్రతుకు తెరువు ఎదురు తేగా ఉప్పొంగిరే గోదావరి ఊగిందిరే చేలోబరి భూదారి నీలాంబరి మా సీమకే చీలాంబరి
Amazing! Truly worth watching performance. Thank you all.
Now our friends Ram Krishna and Veda want to say about yoga. Let's welcome them.
Hi, a pleasant. Hi, hello. A pleasant evening to you. Hi, hello. Pleasant evening to all. Hi, Ramkrishna. Do you know what's our next performance? No? It's yoga.
Are you sure it's yoga?
Yes, now some of our friends are coming with yoga poses. Why not? It increases our confidence levels and develops positive attitude. Also, it reduces stress and strain which we feel in our daily life.
So please welcome them. Thank you. Standing poses. Pranamam. Trikonasana. ఈ ఆసనం ద్వారా పొట్ట కండరాలు బలపరచుటకు మరియు రక్త సరఫరా బాగా జరుగుటకు ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. రిలాక్స్. మూర్ధాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం ద్వారా కాళ్ళు కండరాలు శక్తివంతం అవుతాయి. తలనొప్పి జుట్టు రాలుటను నివారిస్తుంది. రిలాక్స్.
Sitting poses. Sasankasanam. ఈ ఆసనం అడ్రినలిన్ గ్రంథుల పనిని క్రమబద్ధం చేస్తుంది. కోపాన్ని తగ్గించి మెదడును చల్లబరుస్తుంది. రిలాక్స్. ఉష్ట్రాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం ద్వారా జీర్ణ పునరుత్పత్తి వ్యవస్థలకు ప్రయోజనం కలుగచేస్తుంది. నడునొప్పి మూత్రపిండ వ్యాధులకు ఊపిరితిత్తుల వ్యాధి నివారణకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. రిలాక్స్. శుప్త వజ్రాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం థైరాయిడ్ సమస్యలకు మరియు వెన్ను నరాలను సమానం చేసి వెన్నును వంచుతుంది మరియు తెలివిని పెంచుతుంది. రిలాక్స్. స్లీపింగ్ పోజెస్.
ఈ ఆసనం వెన్నుముక సమస్యలను తగ్గిస్తుంది. తొడలు మోకాళ్ళు బలపడతాయి. జుట్టు రావడం తగ్గుతుంది. మొహం ప్రకాశవంతంగా మెరుస్తుంది. రిలాక్స్. చక్రాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం నరాలను, జీర్ణ వ్యవస్థకు, శ్వాసకోశ వ్యవస్థకు లాభదాయకం మరియు స్త్రీ సంబంధ అనారోగ్యములను నివారించవచ్చు. రిలాక్స్. హలాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం తక్కువ రక్తపోటు, అధిక బరువు, మూత్రపిండ వ్యాధులకు మరియు ఆందోళనను తగ్గించుటకు ఎంతగానో ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. రిలాక్స్. సర్వాంగాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం తక్కువ రక్తపోటు, సయాటిక్ డిస్క్, ఫ్రోలాప్స్, మెడ నొప్పి, అజీర్తి, కీళ్ళ నొప్పులు, అధిక బరువు, ఆందోళనను నివారిస్తుంది. వైడ్. ప్రణామం. రిలాక్స్.
సిట్. టిల్ట్ పోజెస్. భుజంగాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం వెన్నుముక సమస్యలను తగ్గిస్తుంది. ఋతు సంబంధమైన సమస్యలను తొలగించును మరియు ఆస్తమా వ్యాధిని తగ్గిస్తుంది. రిలాక్స్. ధనురాసనం. ఈ ఆసనం పొట్ట, ప్రేవుల అనారోగ్యాలను, అజీర్ణం, మలబద్ధకం, చక్కెర వ్యాధి, ఆస్తమా మరియు ఋతు సంబంధమైన సమస్యలను తొలగించును. రిలాక్స్. పిరమిడ్స్. రిలాక్స్. 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 most excitement part of this event is this yoga. Please watch it.
Please watch that.
Wow.
Please watch.
What an amazing talent.
Thank you all for your wonderful efforts.
Now our friends want to share their experiences when they had gone to field trips. Let's welcome them.
Hi friends, how are you all?
Hi Ajita, we all are fine.
Do you know why do we gathered here? You are right, Samir. On this great occasion, shall we discuss about our field trips in our school?
Yes, Ajita, but we can say it as a field trip.
Of course, it's a field trip. When we have cold drinks, we enjoy a lot. But do you know how much network will be back of the 300 milliliter cold drink?
Of course, Ajita, really I don't know, but we experienced when we have visited a Coca-Cola factory. In Madram's confectionery, how hygienically they are preparing sweets and confectionaries. You know, really they are not allowing anyone without gloves and helmets.
Yes, Samir. When we visited steel plants, we observed how the iron scrap will be diluted and molded into steel bullets, and how these bullets will be made into the finest quality of iron rods.
Yes, Ashita, it's a well-known fact that education never ends in a classroom. The knowledge gained in the classroom will be elaborated only when we meet the practicalities in our life.
You are right, Samir. That's why our next trips were taken to a field trips for gaining more reality and knowledge.
We thoroughly enjoyed when we have visited Coca-Cola factory, Madram's confectionery, steel plant, water purifying plant, and spiritual temples.
Amireddy, you forgot our airport trip. We have seen the takeoff and landing of the flights very closely. Even we got an idea about air trafficking and air signaling and controlling room activities.
Anyway, we are so happy because in our Nakshitra school we have been gaining the practical knowledge. Thanks, my school.
Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, friends. You all shared with real feel. That is the power of Nakshatra's field trips. Now you are going to watch a trend-setting performance for the song Sitarala Sirpadu by our Crazy Bros, Abhishan Mukh and Harshit.
Hi, hello, good evening. Abhi, now we are having one more high energetic performance.
Bro, why are you saying it has a high energetic performance?
It's a western beat with the rocking steps.
Hey, really? What the leg then? Let's welcome them.
Sure, Abhi. Please welcome the team of Sitarala Sirapadu. Sitarala Sirapadu. Thank you.
చిత్తరాల సిరపడు పట్టు పట్టినాడా వగ్గని వగ్గడు పెత్తనాలు నడిపేడు చిత్తరాల సిరపడు ఊరూరు ఒగ్గేసిన ఉడుం పట్టు వగ్గడు బొగతోడి ఆంబోతు రంకేసి కుమ్మబోతు బొగతోడి ఆంబోతు రంకేసి కుమ్మబోతు కొమ్ములొడదీసి మరి పేపలు దినాడురో జడలిప్పి మర్రి చెట్టు దెయ్యాల కొంపంటే జడలిప్పి మర్రి చెట్టు దెయ్యాల కొంపంటే దెయ్యముతో కయ్యానికి తొడకొట్టి దిగాడు అమ్మోరి జాతరలో ఒంటి తల రావణుడు అమ్మోరి జాతరలో ఒంటి తల రావణుడు గుంటలంట పడితేను బుద్ధి గుండ చేసినాడు గుంటలంట పడితేను బుద్ధి గుండ చేసినాడు ఎన్నోరు వస్తాదు తమ్ముంటే రమ్మంటే ఎన్నోరు వస్తాదు తమ్ముంటే రమ్మంటే రొమ్ము మీదొక్కటిచ్చి కుమ్మి కుమ్మిపోయాడు రొమ్ము మీదొక్కటిచ్చి కుమ్మి కుమ్మిపోయాడు మంది నాగలేని 10 మూల సొరసేప 10 మంది నాగలేని 10 మూల సొరసేప ఒడుపుగా ఒంటి చేతు ఒడ్డు కట్టుకొచ్చినాడు ఒడుపుగా ఒంటి చేతు ఒడ్డు కట్టుకొచ్చినాడు స్వామిశేషి కండతోటి దేనికైనా గట్టిపోటి స్వామిశేషి కండతోటి దేనికైనా గట్టిపోటి అడుగడుగు వేసినాడ అదిరేను అవతలోడు
సిత్తరాల సిరపడు సిత్తరాల సిరపడు ఉత్తరాల ఊరి శివర సిత్తరాల సిరపడు కందు పీసి పులతో గుండెలోన గుచ్చాడు
సకనమ్మ వెనక పడ్డ పోకిరోళ్ళ ఎరగదంతో సకనమ్మ వెనక పడ్డ పోకిరోళ్ళ ఎరగదంతో సకనమ్మ కళ్ళల్లో ఏల ఏల సుట్టలొచ్చే సకనమ్మ కళ్ళల్లో ఏల ఏల సుట్టలొచ్చే
సిత్తరాల సిరపడు సిత్తరాల సిరపడు ఉత్తరాల ఊరి శివర సిత్తరాల సిరపడు కందు పీసి పులతో గుండెలోన గుచ్చాడు
బొగతోడి ఆంబోతు రంకేసి కుమ్మబోతు బొగతోడి ఆంబోతు రంకేసి కుమ్మబోతు కొమ్ములొడదీసి మరి పేపలు దినాడురో
జడలిప్పి మర్రి చెట్టు దెయ్యాల కొంపంటే జడలిప్పి మర్రి చెట్టు దెయ్యాల కొంపంటే దెయ్యముతో కయ్యానికి తొడకొట్టి దిగాడు సిత్తరాల సిరపడు సిత్తరాల సిరపడు ఉత్తరాల ఊరి శివర సిత్తరాల సిరపడు కందు పిల్లి సూపులతో గుండెలోన గుచ్చాడు.
Energetic performance. Give them a big round of applause. Now, I request Angel to say about our beloved chief guest, Sri Chilla Jagreddy sir.
A fabulous evening to one and all. This is Angel from 6th standard. It's a great boon for me today. I got an opportunity to describe our chief guest, Sri Chilla Jagreddy Garu, the MLA of our constituency and also the chairman of Public Undertaking Committee. He's the man of service. This gentleman was born on 26 November 1976 at Gopalapuram to Somsundar Reddy Garu and Srimati Radha Devi Garu. He is having two children named Somsundar Reddy and Srinidhi Reddy, and Mrs. Lavanya Garu being his spouse. He completed his MBA degree from Bangalore in 1998. Coming to his family background, his grandfather Chilla Jagreddy Garu had been elected as the Sarpanch of Gopalapuram Panchayat and also served as the first president of Kottapeta Gram Panchayat. And his father, Somsundar Reddy Garu, served as the MLA from 1983 to 1995 and 1989 to 1994. Coming to his personal political life, our present MLA, Chilla Jagreddy Garu, has been elected as ZPTC member in 2001 and also served as the MLA of Kottapeta constituency at very young age in 2004. And also again in 2014, he served the same constituency from YSRCP party. He treats our former CM, Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu, as a great inspiration, as well as he is a great fan to him. And the most memorable event in his life is getting elected as MLA at younger age in 2004. He is very much interested to uplift and develop the Kottapeta constituency in all the corners, and it is his strongest wish to be fulfilled. And he likes to spend his free time by playing cricket and to follow magazines and newspapers. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your kind presence. Now I request you to come onto the dais along with directors. Please, sir.
Now we are having prize distribution for various aspects like skating, karate, classical dance, LIC competitions, singing, drawing, essay writing, elocution and netball competitions.
Category skating session winners. Our Nakshatrites have participated in East Godavari District Skating Championship and Roller Skating Hockey Championship, which was held at Kakinada and Vizag. And our Nakshatrites secured third place. Let me read out those winners' names. S. Yogna Karthika of first pulse, and Bhavya Reddy of third standard, C.H. Ravindra Reddy of fourth pulse, M. Amrutavarshini of 5th rupees. Ritvik of 6th standard. M. Santosh Reddy of 7th standard. Now let us go for karate section. Our Nakshatra learned martial arts and participated in East Godavari Open Karate Championship which was held at Samarlakota, Martial Arts Open Championship which was held at Eluru, and AP State Kickboxing Championship which was held at Rajamahendravaram. Our Nakshatra secured first and second positions in those events. Let me read out the names of these prize winners. T. Kaushik of 3rd standard. S. Soumya Sri. T. Kaushik of 3rd standard. S. Soumya Sri of 1st standard. K. Mahit Reddy of 4th rupees. Recently, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, on its 63rd annual day, it has conducted competitions on drawing and essay writing fields. And few of our nakshatras have been selected, and let me read out those names. GRSL winner of 4th rupees.
L. Sarvika of 5th pulse.
And Ramya Sravanya of 6th standard.
Fun.
Please give them a great round of applause. I'm Spandana of 7th standard. Now I'm going to announce the prize winners of Sri Satya Sai Seva Samiti, which has conducted competitions on singing, drawing, essay writing and elocution. And our Nakshatra 8 won many prizes in this event. So let me invite those prize winners. G. Satvik of 4th standard secured 3rd place in drawing. M. Amrutavarshini of 5th standard secured 3rd place in elocution. P. Nagavaishnav of 7th standard secured 2nd place in singing. And Ramya Sravanya of 6th standard secured 3rd place in drawing. Now we shall go to the best classical dance performance winners session. The management of Bharat Talent Association and Sri Abhyudaya Kalaniketan combinedly conducted a classical dance competition, and 3 of our nakshatras secured 1st place in that competition. Let me announce those winners. B. Lakshmi Maudri of 8th standard, C.H. Vaishnavi of 8th standard, C.H. Pranavi of 1st pulse. Now let us go for sports session. Now I feel very proud to announce about the netball sport winners as they secured a good recognition in state level. Really it is proud to our school and our village because 2 of our nakshatras, C.H. Harsha and T. Sai Aditya of 8th standard were selected for state level netball competitions, and C.H. Harsha has been selected for national netball team. request our chief guest to deliver his well-wished message.
ఈరోజు నక్షత్ర స్కూల్ యానివర్సరీ డే సెలబ్రేషన్స్ని ఘనంగా నిర్వహిస్తున్నటువంటి డైరెక్టర్స్ అశోక్ గారు, రవి గారు, కృష్ణారెడ్డి గారు, నాగిరెడ్డి గారు, అంజనీ కుమార్ రెడ్డి గారు, అలాగే వారి మీద ఉన్నటువంటి గౌరవంతో తన మీద ఉన్న భుజస్కంధాల మీద ఉన్న బాధ్యతని చక్కగా తీర్చిదిద్దుతున్నటువంటి చలపతిరావు గారు, అలాగే మరి ఏవోగా ఉన్నటువంటి బాబ్జీ గారు, లత గారు, ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమానికి అతిథులుగా బెంగళూరు నుంచి చేసినటువంటి మరి నాకుల లయోలాలో నాకు జూనియర్ అని చెప్పారు, సీనియర్ 1 year సీనియర్ అని చెప్పారు సునీల్ గారు. అలాగే ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాలు పంచుకున్నటువంటి తల్లిదండ్రులందరికీ కూడా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నాను. ఈరోజు మీ అందరి యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం వల్ల శాసనసభ్యుడిగా మీ అందరి ముందు మాట్లాడమే కాకుండా ఒక పేరెంట్గా బహుశా మా పిల్లలకి జరుగుతున్నటువంటి యానివర్సరీలో బహుశా 2nd యానివర్సరీలో నేను పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అటువంటి మంచి అవకాశాన్ని ముఖ్యంగా కొన్నటువంటి 5 యువకులు కలిసి ఒక ఆలోచన చేసి మరి ఆకాశంలో ఉండేటువంటి నక్షత్రాన్ని మన రావులపాలెంలో కిందకు తీసుకొచ్చి మన పిల్లలకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఇవ్వడం కోసం ఒక 5 యువకులు చేస్తున్న ప్రయత్నాన్ని సక్సెస్ చేసినటువంటి తల్లిదండ్రులందరికీ కూడా చేతులు జోడించి హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు తెలియజేస్తూ ఉన్నాను.
Now we'll be having a decent conversation among our cute friends on health awareness. Let us invite them. I have a question for you all. What's that, Hanisha? What is the most important and precious thing in the world?
Obviously, education and money.
You're mistaken, Ramareddy. It's not either.
Hi, hello, a pleasant evening to all guys. I have a question for you all.
What's that, Hanisha?
What is the most important and precious thing in the world?
Obviously, education and money.
You're mistaken, Ramareddy. It's not either money or education. It's health.
Yes, you are right. Health is wealth. Without health, nothing can be fruitful.
Many of us care about our dressing and hairstyle. We least both are about caring of our health. Until it affects us.
Yes, it's true. Health conscious is very important. By following some easy health tips, we can be away from these health disorders.
Can you say some of them?
I know. Let me say first.
Okay, you can say Kaushik.
The first and foremost is we need to drink at least 4 liters of water. We need to brush twice in a day. Means as usual, early morning and night before going to bed.
What other tips are you going to say, sister?
We must avoid junk food which harms our digestive system.
Then what else we can eat?
We must eat fruit salads and vegetable salads. They develop our immunity level, especially carrot, dates and guava.
That's
they give
right.
instant energy.
That's why in our school, junk food was completely prohibited. Our teachers are even not allowed to distribute chocolates.
That's what our school takes utmost care about our health. They even conducted health camp and health awareness program to educate us.
All our Nakshatra aides were examined by our specialist doctors in various fields. As you all know, many of us suffering from vision problems because not maintaining balanced diet. But in our school every day, the midday meals will be prepared based on the health chart.
Sri Nakshatra School was committed for good health and good care. That's why they have conducted eye camp, dental camp and pediatric observations.
To maintain the beauty of our pearls, that is our teeth, dental camp was conducted and the dentist touches its all nakshatra aids and gave health tips to prevent toothache and other dental problems.
Our pediatricians, with lot of patience, they examined each and every kid and recommend medicines for whom they are required.
We also attended health awareness program organized by our school management. Dr. MRL Bhima Reddy Garu of Bhavani Super Speciality Hospital had attended this program and explained how to care about the patients. And Dr. Gangireddy Garu had given practical and visual explanation in this regard. So everyone,
health is wealth. Thank you for all.
Valuable and lovable information you people gave us. Thanks a lot.
I'm back, Priya.
I can see you now, boy.
Priya, now I am here to welcome an energetic and special performance.
What's that?
Ritvik and Satvik will explain the specialty of the performance.
So what's the late? Let's welcome them.
Hey Satvik, what are you doing?
Just now, I have watched the movie Dangal.
Is it Americans?
Yes, but the story lineup is too good. It is about the girls, how they struggle to get into the sports.
Just for acting purpose they made a create. Normally girls cannot fit for sports. They are very sensitive. They cannot focus much.
No, you are mistaken, Ritvik. You don't know about their empowerment. Take Saina, Sania, Sindhu and many more who bought medals for our country. They are pride of our nation.
Okay, I do agree.
That's good. Now to show the women empowerment, our Nakshatraites are ready to attack with the song Sivangi Ve. Hey, Sivangi Ve. Let's welcome them.
జడిపించు పీడుగురే ఒళ్ళు విరుచుకో విను వీధి దారిన మెరుపుల మీదే బందాడు కాలమే మీదే ఇకపై లోకం వీక్షించే బల వీరంగం గుర్తించగా సహో అంటూ మొక్కలుగా కనిపించేలా దేశమే ఏమి పాడే ఏమి పాడు తీరాలన్నీ వల్ల కాదన్న వాళ్ళ నొల్ల పూరించాలిక కోరే కవితకి బాట వేయి జారే జారే ధారే కంట మారి శ్రేయం అయ్యేంట ఆవాలంటే ఊరుకోక శక్తి సాటి ముక్తి బదులు గుర్తించగా సహో అంటూ మొక్కలుగా ఏమి పాడు తీరాలి వాళ్ళ నొల్ల పూరించాలిక కోరే బాట వేయి జారే జారే ధారే కంట మారి ఆవాలంటే ఊరుకోక శక్తిని మరి సాటి బాగులు స్వాన్ని ఛేదించి సాధించే ఈ మొక్కవే కదిలిరా భూమిని అనగా ఎగసిరా ఈ మొక్కవే కదిలిరా నీ సరదా కలల్ని కందంగా ఏ పరగాలైనా తీర్థంరా ఏరి పాడే తీరే ఏరి పాడే తీరాలన్నీ వల్ల కాదన్న వాళ్ళను ఊహించాలిగా ఓరే కవితకి బాటవి ధారే ధారే కంట మాని శ్వేతం అయ్యేనంట ఆవాలంటే ఊరుకోక శక్తిని పని జాతి భయముకి బదులు
यदि गायालु दाटी समयम मेरे मेरी मारी విజయాల ఆశయమే తరుణోదయమై కాంతి నిండగా తరుణోదయమై కాంతి నిండగా శివగిరే శివగిరే తలవంచి
ముత్యాలలో గుర్తించదా సహో అంటూ మొక్కరులదా రారారాణి కాని కాని నీ హాసం రాసం వేషం రోషం గర్వించేలాగే సరే
కాని తీరే పారి తీరాలన్నీ
ఆదరణ వాళ్ళను ఊహించాలిగా కోరే కవితకి బాటవి చూడు చూడు చారే చారే ధారే కంట మాని శ్వేతం అయ్యేనంట ఆవాలంటే ఊరుకోక శక్తిని పని నీ భయముకి నీ భయముకి నీ భయముకి బదులు నీ
What an electrifying performance! Please give them a big round of applause!
Now our friends are here to explain about one of the great implementation of Sri Nakshatra. They are here to explain about steel or copper water bottles.
Fabulous evening to one and all. This is Pujasri of 5th standard.
Hi, hello, good evening. This is Sri Vaishnavi from 7th standard.
Hi, hello. This is Santosh from 7th standard.
Oh, suddenly getting stomachache, Pooja.
Please drink some water, sister.
Thank you, Pooja.
Hey, stop drinking.
Why, Santosh? Why shouldn't I?
You people are drinking, which is contained by plastic. So what, brother? As we all know, plastic contains harmful gases like dioxins, mercury, and other gases. These all pose a threat to vegetation animals, and human life.
Brother, since my LKG, I have been carrying water in plastic bottles only. Nothing affected me.
That's what, sister. Plastic is a silent killer. It will not show immediate effect. It will after show the action when the attacked the person will become chronic patient.
Thank you, Santosh. We are not aware of this.
You are welcome. Here onwards, carry only copper or steel water bottles.
Sure, brother. Viewers, so all will be having a doubt that we have been supplying water for you in plastic bottles, but those are made up of finest quality of plastic which can be easily degradable in the soil. My dear viewers, my sincere request to all is please use copper or steel water bottles in order to avoid the harmful toxic releases. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
It's too good, Santosh, Pujasri and Vaishnavi. Thank you so much.
Now our friends are ready to perform about the uses of plastic and how it affects on earth and animals.
I also got an information that there is something related to women.
To get a clarity, we should invite Chaitanya and Shanmugh.
Good evening, everybody. This is Shanmugh of 7th standard.
This is Chaitanya, 5th standard.
Chaitanya, the most burning and torturing problem in today's world is usage of plastic.
Yes, you are right, Shanmugh. Total world is becoming a toxic compound.
Though we know we still carry plastic covers and throw them on public places by dumping the waste materials. This is giving warning bell to the animal's life.
You are right, Shanmugh. Many animals are being killed indirectly by our bad deeds.
To avoid such kind of pathetic situations, we should promote cloth bags and jute bags for carrying our daily needs. So friends, please help in protecting our beautiful Mother Earth.
A small suggestion for you all is, when the situation demands you to use plastic covers, please go for the minimum thickness of 40 microns of plastic covers. They can be easily decomposed in the soil.
My dearest moms and loveliest sisters, the next coming saga is exclusively for you.
Shanmugh, why is it so special for them?
Because tomorrow is a very special day for them. It's an International Women's Day.
Wow, congratulations and best wishes to all the women.
We all know that women is a great creator who plays vital role in everybody's life. A great saying by our Chacha Nehru is, if a woman educated, the family will become a university.
So, we all should encourage the women empowerment by giving the man of freedom in taking decisions. When we have the women empowerment, we can find many Indras, Tesas, Kalpanas and many more.
Our sincere gratitude to all our loving mothers and sisters on behalf of Sri Nakshatra. Once again, wish you a happy International Women's Day.
Now, I would like to welcome our Nakshatriyas to perform a heart-touching dance on the theme of women empowerment and non-plastic uses.
Thank you
all.
आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच टूटी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
Oh, it's plastic again. I've been seeing too many nowadays. Tens of thousands of animals, like cows, birds, whales, turtles, die every year due to plastic. Plastic in the gut just stays there, stops food digestion, often leading to slow, painful death. Plastic takes up to 1,000 years to decompose. So even after killing an animal, it goes on to kill many more. It was too late for these animals, and if we don't act, it will be too late for everyone. Out of 300 million tons of plastic produced annually, only 10% gets recycled. That means we have a lot to do. Let's get started.
छोड़ो प्लास्टिक थैली, हम सब ने अब ठानी, अपना लो कपड़े की कोई थैली नहीं पुरानी। ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी।
Can I get you something to drink? Yes, we will have a lemonade, but no straws, please.
ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी, ये सोच सयानी। కలమే నువ్వు కథవే ఒక విజయ పదములతో అలవే నువ్వు అలజడి నువ్వు సమయం చూడని సమరం నువ్వు వేల స్వప్నాల ఈ లోకం నీడల్లే నీ వెంటే నడిచేలా నువ్వు దారైపోయావే సమస్తం నీ సొంతం చేసించావే ఎత్తుకు ఎదిగిరే విశ్వం పరిచావే కానీ పాదం భూమికి అంచున ఉంచి సకలం అయ్యావే ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you ఒక బాధ్యతనే ఎత్తుకొని పరివారం చేసావే పారే సెలయేరల్లే రాళ్ళని దాటి ఎల్లలు దాటావే ఓ నారీ 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 నీకు వందనాలు నారీ 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 నీకు వందనాలు నారీ నారీ నీకు వందనాలు నారీ 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 నీకు వందనాలు ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you రంగాలన్నీ రాణించవే ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with
Fine performance.
నేటి రేపటికే సంధించే అస్త్రానివి నీవే ఏ పోటీనైనా చోటీగాను గెలిచొచ్చేస్తావే ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you ఓ అమ్మాయి we are with you మేధాహలముతో ఆర్థిక భూమిని సాగే చేస్తావే పదవులనైనా ప్రమిదగా చేసి పాలించేస్తావే ఓ నారీ 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 నీకు వందనాలు నారీ 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 నీకు వందనాలు నారీ 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 నీకు వందనాలు
Wow! Celebrated as Women's Day, to wish them and respect them, they perform this. It's a great performance and give them a huge round of applause.
Happy Women's Day to all the women here.
Now, one more classical dance from our friends. Let's welcome Jessie and Lalita Sardar to give a brief explanation.
Hi, a pleasant going to all. This is Lalita of 4th standard.
This is Jessie from 5th standard.
Now we are having one more classical dance performance.
For every performance in our spectra have special importance and significance. In the same way, this classical performance also has special importance.
In this classical performance, we shows our gratitude to the great legendaries.
So we welcome the team of Endaru Mahanubhavulu.
Let's welcome them.
Thank you.
Janana janana tanana tanana tom. Janana janana tanana tanana janana janana tanana tanana tom tom. Janana janana tanana tanana tom tom. Janana janana tanana tanana गीत धुनी को तकधीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारे तुम गीत धुनी को तकधीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारे तुम गीत धुनी को तकधीम नात्र कीट तो नाच रहे गोरी तारे तुम गीत धुनी को तकधीम तान गावे तक तल तै तै तान गावे तक तल तै 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 तक तना धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम धीम तकिड तक धीम अदतो को तक धीम शरणायो सामारो तुम हरो तनीम तनीम तिरना उदनी तानी तानी तनीम तनीम तिरना तनीम तनीम तिरना उदनी तानी तानी तनीम तिरना गलरी तत गदा कार तत गमम पानी तत तकतन अलरी तोम 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 तकतन तनी अलरी गीत धुनी को तकदी मात्र के तको माचे ताती दे तई तम तेरे तुम गीत धुनी को तकदी मात्र के तको माचे रे बोली तारी दे तई तम तेरे तको मारी दे तई तम तेरे तको मारी दे तई तम तेरे तुम गीत धुनी को तकदी निको तकधी निको तकधी
What a glittering and eye-catching performance!
I request DMRL Bhimareddy Garu to announce the best house of 2020 and the best house in sports 2020 and also second lucky winner. He is providing his valuable services in medical field for the people in Raulpalam and nearby places. He is a good health awareness guide for the Nakshatraites to make the Nakshatraites healthy and keep them healthy.
Very good evening to one and all. And the best house for the 2020 goes to Diksha. Diksha House. Please, all of you give claps to the Diksha group.
Captain and Vice Captain!
The next award, best house in the sports. So can you expect which house? Students are very clever. It is none other than Sahana House.
And also second lucky tip winner.
Second lucky dip winner of this Spectra event today.
ఒక చిన్న క్లాస్ మీద తీస్తాను అదే అంటే అందులో నా పేరు పెట్టారంటే నేను మరి ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను మరి పెట్టలేదు Second class P. Sai Narsimha Teja and father P. Veerapandu Garu.
Let's welcome
Once
P.
again,
Sai.
Sai Narsimha Teja. Sai Narsimha Teja.
May I request P. Sai Narasimha Teja of second standard. The parents of P. Sai Narasimha Teja of second standard, Veerapandu Garu. Are you here, sir? Veerapandu Garu. P. Sai Narasimha Teja of second standard, C. Nakshatra 8. May I request the parent of P. Sai Narasimha Teja of second standard. So anybody related to Sai Narasimha Teja. Relatives of Sai Narasimha Teja. Yeah, Sai Narasimha Teja parents are here, madam. Please, madam. Please come out of the dais. Give them a very good round of applause. The second lucky dip winner of this Spectra event today. Sai Narasimha Teja's parent. Yes, madam, please. Please come on, please. Give them a very good round of applause. Madam, please.
All of you clap for them.
So, we have left with the final program of this event today. Here I would like to extend my sincere thanks and at the same time, please apologize us towards the heavy crowd attend this today's function. So, my strength, school strength ochi 572. So, hardly we have expected 1200 parents and these 572. We have made arrangements nearly 17 to 1800. But we are lucky enough today, we are very fortunate today, as per the count, nearly more than 2,400 people have attended today's program. Apart from the students, here it's very lucky and fortune, but at the same time, really very sorry for the inconvenience caused for providing the facilities regarding. I'm really very sorry for that, and at the same time, we are very happy to make this Spectra a very grand success. Let us come to the last program of this today's event, a spectacular event. So we are expecting again the same kind of cooperation hereafter for the programs which you are going to organize. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, Bhima Reddy sir, and also congrats to the both houses and lucky dip winner.
What's next, Akshay?
This is the last but not the least. Now I welcome our friends Shanmukh and Sidhu to say about the patriotism,
Followed by a patriotic song.
Fabulous good evening to everybody. I'm Sidhu from 8th class.
I am Shanmukh from 7th standard.
I'm here to give an introduction about a patriotic song. Our Nakshatra souls are ready to wake up all of us with their heart-touching performance. They exhibit how our soldiers have been struggling to protect us from the enemies. They have been guarding us around the clock in -6 temperature by leaving their parents.
We should feel proud of the parents who send their children to the borders to secure the country and the people. The soldiers are ready to die for us, whereas their parents are ready to sacrifice their children for the nation. They are our real heroes. We should salute them.
Let's welcome our soldiers to vibrate us with a powerful performance. Thank you.
Thank you.
భగ భగ భగమండే నిప్పుల వర్షమొచ్చిన జనగణమన అంటూనే దూకేవాడే సైనికుడు ఫెళ 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 ఫెళమంటూ మంచు తుఫాను వచ్చిన వెనకడుగే లేదంటూ దాటేవాడే సైనికుడు దడ 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 దడమంటూ తూటాలే దూసుకొచ్చిన తన గుండెను అడ్డు పెట్టి ఆపేవాడే సైనికుడు ఆయుధాలు ఎన్నెదురయ్యా ప్రాణాన్ని ఎదురు పంపేవాడు ఒకడే ఒకడు వాడే సైనికుడు నీకెవ్వరు నువ్వెళ్ళే రహదారికి జోహారు నీకెవ్వరు ఇది గడవదు అని నువ్విటు రాలేదు, ఏ పని తెలియదు అని నీ అడుగిటు పడలేదు. తెగువకు ధీరుడివని బలమగు భక్తుడని వేరెత్తి ఎలుగెత్తి భూమి పిలిచింది నీ శక్తిని నమ్మి. భాస్వరం ఓ సైనిక, జ్వాలా గీతం నీ స్వరం ఓ సైనిక, బతుకే వందే మాతరం ఓ సైనిక, నీ వల్లే ఉన్న మందరం ఓ సైనిక. Sa